Hey folks, Tom DiGregorio, founder of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Today I want to talk about the importance of a quality covered gutter system and 3 common myths that people have about gutter guards. Now first of all, let me premise this by saying we've spent the last 24 years waterproofing basements and crawl spaces and fixing every kind of foundation repair problem. And I can tell you that the #1 reason why basements and crawl spaces leak and foundations settle, crack, and bow is due to improperly channeled roof water. So obviously, making sure you have the right gutter protection system is invaluable when it comes to protecting your home from the foundation all the way up. Now the 3 myths that we hear all the time is #1, I don't have trees, so I really don't need gutter protection. Well, you may not have trees, but your neighbors may have trees. When we get a windstorm, there's debris flying from all over the place that ultimately ends up on your roof and in your gutters. Then we have pollen, which is everywhere that time of the year, and that too can add to the debris going in your gutters. And then we have the granules and any other debris coming off the roof that's also clogging up the gutters. So you need to keep your gutter system as clean as possible at all times, and really the only way to do that is with the right gutter protection system. The second myth is gutter guards require installing new gutters. Well, sometimes that may be true, but it really depends on how old your gutters are and what condition they're in. Remember, the objective is to have a properly sized gutter installed correctly to capture all your roof water. You really need an expert to determine the proper product and application for your home. The third myth is gutter guards just don't work. And my answer to that is no, clogged gutters don't work, but a properly installed quality gutter protection system does work. Now there are a lot of components that go into designing the right gutter protection system, and if it's not done properly, you could end up with a very poor performance on a system that you're really counting on to do everything you need it to do. So at the end of the day, if you really want to protect your home, you need to put a great gutter system on there with a great gutter cover system that works in conjunction with each other. The other big thing that we do that a lot of gutter companies don't even think about doing is not only where you drop the downspouts coming off of your gutters in areas that are going to be more conducive to better drainage, but also taking that downspout wherever you have it and properly piping it off so the hundreds to thousands of gallons that can come out of those downspouts are well away from your foundation and protecting the long-term health of your home and your foundation. If you have any concerns about your gutter system not doing what you need it to do to protect your biggest investment, give us a call. We'll be happy to come out and show you how Gutter Shutter is the best performing product for your home.